Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete LinkedIn account permanently. So for this you have to go for your LinkedIn account. After that go for your profile icon over here. Just click on the drop down option and go for settings and privacy. Okay, wait for a second. Now you have to just in this account preference section you have to just uh, scroll down a little bit and you can see here is close account here. So from this option you can delete your LinkedIn account. So just click on it. Okay, wait for a second. So now just click on continue and choose a reason for closing your account. So I have just clicked this one. I have a duplicate account. Just go for next and you have to enter your LinkedIn password here and go for done. So it's delete now. So guys, this is how you can delete your LinkedIn account permanently. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.